Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Form 941 e-file portal step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for the Form 941 e-file portal. Press the Enter key to navigate to the site. Once the home page loads, locate the login section. Enter your username into the designated field. Carefully input your password in the corresponding password field. Double-check that both your username and password are entered correctly. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password, checking your email for further instructions. Once you have confirmed your password, return to the login page. Re-enter your username and new password. Before clicking the login button, ensure that all information is accurate. Click the login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be directed to your Form 941 e-file dashboard. If there's an error in your login, a message will appear prompting you to check your information. If you are having trouble logging in, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try using a different web browser. If you continue to experience issues, contact the support team for assistance. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Start navigating to begin filing your Form 941 electronically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.